Welcome to our full body and outfit drawing practice tutorial on how to draw a girl pose. Let's start by sketching out the basic shape of the body, focusing on proportions and pose. Next, add in the facial features such as the eyes, nose, mouth, and hair to give your character more personality. Now, let's move on to drawing the outfit. Think about the style and details you want to incorporate, whether it's a casual look or something more formal. Don't forget to pay attention to the folds and wrinkles in the fabric to make the outfit look more realistic and dynamic. Finally, add in some accessories and details to complete the look, such as jewelry, a handbag, or a hat. And there you have it, a full body and outfit drawing of a girl pose. Practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and trying out different poses and outfits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials and tips.